Here we have a Audi Q7 with a 3.6 liter. And this particular engine has a check engine light on. And in order to find out where the leak is in the vacuum system, which is a pretty common issue, you can use a lot of aerosols to try to see where the leak is underneath the intake. Another thing you can do is to just gradually move kind of each line around. This intake has a lot of suction, so if you unplug even just something like that, you can hear it's so powerful that the engine actually dies. Kind of feel the lines, move them around a little bit. Common places for them to leak on this engine are right here at this elbow. This one looks like it's been replaced. On the back of the engine, there's a lot. Underneath the intake manifold, there are several other vacuum lines too. But just kind of give a wiggle, and eventually, you know, you'll hear something moving around. You can hear that there. So there's a break in this hose right here. So you hear that pressure change? You don't hear anything? Pull it a little bit. So this hose right here has a crack. And that crack is what is triggering that check engine light, causing it not to run as well as it could be running. So just kind of search before digging into the engine, kind of search around, lightly pull and move around a lot of the hoses, and a lot of the times you'll actually find that vacuum leak is a much easier to access place than having to remove the intake on this engine. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Good luck with your project. Have a great day.